Hi guys, this is Raquel from Mardesign, and in this video we will be talking about one of the aspects of design that I absolutely love, and that is interior design mood boards. Quite often I have many of the sisters in this community coming to me and feeling very overwhelmed. So this is you, lost on Pinterest for hours, lost with too many interior design ideas, don't know where to start, how to create a design that is consistent across multiple spaces, and then how to translate that into a real project. There is a better way. So don't worry, I will be walking you through the process that I use in all my projects so that you can apply the same principles when designing a property. The main benefits of a concept mood board is that it will provide you with design inspiration and clarity. It will help you to determine a main concept idea and that then you can apply to your property and not deviate. And through the key images you select, you can then start to determine your color palette, material, finishes, furniture, and lighting style. So let's go from here to here. But before that, we need to go through the step-by-step guide that I always use in any of my mood boards, and that will make your design process so much easier and fun as well. So first, organize your Pinterest account before starting any mood board or any projects, and this should be organized per themes. So for example, you could have furniture, lounge spaces, bedrooms, lighting, gardens, whatever you want and however you want to organize. Then choose a concept that will set the design direction and provide you with clarity so you know exactly what you're looking for. And make a list of all the required rooms so that you don't miss any space. And don't forget also about corridors, which are extremely important. And set up folders in your laptop for each of the rooms so that then when you start to save all your images, you know which ones to use on each room. Start then by creating one master mood board that sums up the interior design intention, and then break this into individual rooms or individual boards per room. From the selected images, you can then start to build your color palette. You will notice that there will be a consistency in color, and therefore you can bring that into your interiors. And then use the color palette that you have determined in your hard finishes, your walls, your floors, and your ceilings. And of course, that can be extended to your furniture, art, and accessories, your throws, your cushions, and your rugs. And the same applies to architectural features, furniture and accessories, and styling selections. And by doing all of this, you're then tying in all the elements that you are creating in a visual connection between the elements and the design that you're going to apply throughout the property. And lastly, if you feel overwhelmed, always go back to your main board. Right. Let's see how we do this in real life. So first we go to Pinterest, and on the Pinterest, you have your Pinterest account organized per areas or per rooms or per themes, however you want to do that. In parallel to that, always have your rooms in folders organized and saved in your laptop so that when you can start to find a theme or you have a concept, then you can save those directly into your folders. So on this mood board, we are doing a bit of a casual, nice, neutral space. And for that, I decided to select this image as it has very key, strong features. So you have your neutrals, you have your warm, earthy tones, and also you have the punch of black that will then tie in with all your elements, such as your lighting or your furniture, or if you, for instance, if we look into bathroom spaces, it could be the sanitary ware that you would be using. So here you see, I am starting to save everything on my overall mood board on the folder so that then I can then introduce that when I'm building the board itself. And I'm keeping very neutral and very calming and very zen for this mood board because that's the look that I'm aiming to achieve. And you know, it is important to have a concept and a design orientation, because otherwise you are going to feel very lost. Now, this is Canva. It's one of the easiest ways to do a mood board. There are other softwares that you can use, but Canva is actually very straightforward, very easy friendly. And as you can see, it's super easy to just drag and drop. So what I did was that I then selected all my images and dragged into the images, and it just uploaded. So you also have this in kind of a cloud way. So you can access this wherever you want. So on your mobile phone or on your laptop or at home or wherever you want to start doing your mood board. So that's really, really easy. So it basically takes with you all your images. And you can then start to build up the theme and the kind of vibe that you want to have on your property. So as you can see, we are tying in all the images. The images have consistent elements that can start to determine the vibe that you're going to have in your property. So it's very easy, very straightforward. When you start to do this, it might feel a bit overwhelmed at the beginning, but once you start doing this over and over and over again, it will be so much easier, and you will see that actually it's super easy to do mood boards. Right, so let's recap. The main benefits of a concept mood board is that it will provide you design concept, inspiration, and clarity. And this design concept can then be applied throughout your property by having a set of mood boards that you can then select also your color palettes, your material finishes, your furniture, your lighting, and all your decorative elements. And when you apply then this to your property, you will be bringing into the market a very good quality home that your tenants will want to live in, and therefore properties that will be standing out from the market and also providing you with the right ROI. Step-by-step guide has answered many of the questions around how to create an interior design mood board and all the benefits of using one. But if you have any questions or you would like my support, just drop me a message on Instagram, Facebook, or reach out through the website. And don't miss out the next video where I will be talking about how you can master interior design in terms of space planning. And remember to scroll through the other videos in this amazing Property Sisters channel, because there's so many gold nuggets that you definitely don't want to be missing out.